Welcome to Speak With Us.
Welcome back to Speak With Us. I am Sara. Today we are traveling. Listener, do you have your passport?
Hello, everyone. I am Ali. I am ready to go. But Sarah, I do not have a ticket.
Oh no, Ali. To travel, you need a ticket and a suitcase. Listener, repeat after me. I have my suitcase.
Wait, I found my ticket. It was in my pocket. Hey, you. Where do you want to go?
I heard someone say London. That is a great city.
I want to go to the beach. I want to swim in the sea. Sarah, how do we get to the airport?
We can take a taxi or a bus. Listener, practice with me. Say the word airport.
Again, airport. Perfect. You sound like a traveler.
Now, imagine we are at the airport. We see many big planes.
The planes are very loud. Listener, repeat this sentence. The plane is big.
Very good. Now, Ali, do you like window seats or aisle seats?
I like the window seat. I want to see the clouds. Listener, what about you? Window or aisle?
Good choice. Now we have a challenge. I am the pilot. I say, welcome on board.
Oh, I am the passenger. Listener, repeat after me with big emotion. I am ready for vacation.
Wow, 10 out of 10. I can feel the summer vibes.
But Sarah, what if we get lost? What do we ask?
We ask, where is the hotel?
Where is the hotel? Let us practice the H sound in hotel. Repeat after Sarah.
Hotel. Where is the hotel?
Louder, the pilot cannot hear you.
Ali, be quiet. We're on the plane.
Sorry. Whisper with me. I am on the plane.
You are doing great. Today, we learned passport, suitcase, airport, and hotel.
You are a travel star. Traveling is fun when you speak English.
Before we go, what is your favorite country? Say it out loud now.
I heard Italy. I love pizza.
English is a journey, and you are doing amazing work.
See you in the next episode. I'm going to find my seat now.
Goodbye, everyone. Enjoy your trip.